So it's Nick Tumminello here with a little overlooked but very important push-up tip. So Alejandro's doing otherwise great push-ups as regards to her alignment, but she's leaving some gains on the table. Look at her scapulas. She's not fully protracting her scapulas at the top. She's still leaving them slightly retracted, which means she's not still working. She has more activity of her serratus involvement that she could incorporate into the push-up, and your serratus is important in a pushing movement. So you don't have to do push-up plus exercises as a supplement if you already added in. Good, take a break. I don't want her to finish the push-up with her scapulas looking like this. I want her to finish the push-up with her scapulas looking like this, where they're going apart. I want to see those scapulas moving. So what you're going to do as a trainer, you're going to not just watch alignment and all the standard push-up cues. You want to watch those scapulas, and you want to try to get as much muscular involvement through as large a range of motion as possible to get the most benefit out of every rep.